Guys, welcome to Looker beginner series. Myself is Rajiv Prabha. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Looker navigation, which means I'm going to explain how to what are the options or menus are available in Looker, how to navigate or move from one option to another option. So this is the Looker homepage. If you don't know how to connect to Looker BA or how to open a Looker BA for free, so please watch my previous videos in the Looker beginner series. So here we have three options mainly: explore, develop, and admin. So admin section, right? So we don't have much control. So we don't do anything because we are a local developers. So we don't care about the admin sections. If your admin or your organization might have admin, so they mostly see or they mostly handle this admin section. So we no need to bother about this admin section. Since we are developers, right? Develop option is very important for us. In the develop options or in the develop menu, so we have three options. First one is content validator, second one is SQL runner, and third one is projects. So let me explain about project. So a project, right? So everything, whatever code that we are going to write will be available inside the project only, and the project names are available below the search box. Quick Lab e-commerce, Quick Lab flights. These are the few projects that was created by the Google team for our practice purpose. So we don't need to create any new project here. So we can access those projects and we can practice our topics. And the next important thing is SQL runner. So if we want to write any SQL queries from lookout side, right? So we can directly open this SQL runner. From there, we can write our SQL queries. The third option is content validator. So the content validator mainly used to validate is there any syntax errors or else if you want to replace any keywords, right? So in that case we use the content validator. So yeah, that's it about develop menu. So we have a option called explore, so that I will explain later. Yeah, that's about the looker navigation. Thanks for watching this video. So we'll catch up you in the